Hey guys, Alex here with Gamify, and today I'm going to take you through the 5 different forms of gamification marketing. Gamification has been widely applied in marketing strategies by the world's largest brands for many years. In 2013, Forbes estimated that over 70% of their Global 2000 companies stated that they plan on using gamification for the purposes of marketing and customer retention in the future. That's exciting stuff. So what is gamification? One of the most popular definitions can be found in an academic paper from 2011 where it was defined as the addition of game elements to non-game activities. In other words, making boring things fun. And within the marketing industry, gamification serves the purpose of engaging and motivating users to perform actions in association with a brand to boost sales. So with that being said, here are the 5 forms of gamification marketing. Transmedia. Transmedia is the practice of taking a media property and extending it into a different medium to support it. For example, in 1997, Nintendo attempted their own form of transmedia with their N64 release of 007 GoldenEye. This was a AAA game that was created to bring more attention to the film of the same title's release. The video game version of the Bond classic ended up making more money in the end than the actual film itself. So it's no surprise that 20 years later, the video game industry is actually 4 times larger than the movie industry, as playing games has beat out watching movies. Perhaps we'll be seeing advertising for video games within movies. Number 2 is randomification. Randomification in its simplest form consists of in-game advertising for real-world products and brand awareness. This could look like messages, images, or videos promoting a brand, product, or service within a video game's world. The most recent case study of randomification? Tesla. Tesla is using PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, or PUBG, as a platform to market their cars. PUBG is one of the most played and viewed competitive video games in the world right now. So Tesla, as of July 2020, placed their cars within the game as drivable vehicles for players in order to increase customer engagement and time spent with the actual product. Clever. Number 3 is advert gaming. An advert game is a gamification technique that sees an online video game promote a particular brand, product, or marketing message by integrating it into a game template. Advert games these days are often commissioned for mobile devices to support other media and not replace them. Advert games became first popular in the 90s with soft drink themed games like Pepsi Man and Spot from brands like Pepsi and 7up. Advert games have remained the optimal form of gamified marketing. In 2019, branded games took the form of popular mobile games like Candy Crush and Temple Run to promote products and services. These are done through companies like Gamify or popular DIY website platforms like Wix or Shopify. Advert games have been proven to get higher levels of engagement and redemption more than traditional advertisements. Number 4 is experiential marketing. Experiential marketing can be defined as providing a fully immersive and interactive event that is linked to a brand campaign. Experiential marketing, while mostly taking place in physical locations, can also take the place between AR and VR formats as well. One example, Nissan partnered with Gamify to create an experiential marketing campaign that was hosted at the Fast 5 netball series. This campaign was hosted on a multi-screen booth that required players to swat away incoming balls in a 180-degree view. The top players on the leaderboard were announced netball-related prizes in the stadium prior to the grand final game. Volkswagen is also known for doing experiential marketing campaigns like the Piano Stairs, Bottle Bank Arcade, and the Speed Camera Lottery. These cases are all perfect examples of the participants being enticed into taking a break from their everyday lives to have a unique and fun experience that positively associated with whichever brand is hosting the campaign. Number 5 is alternate reality games, or ARGs. Alternate reality games are online experiences that use a real world to tell a story through user actions. Typically, ARGs leverage social media and tech to some degree to provide information to participants. Whereas traditional gaming is designed to help people escape from reality, ARGs are actually designed to make reality more engaging. ARGs are similar to Transmedia, however, the strong reliance on real-world actions is what sets them apart. A well-known example of an ARG is the online community experience I Love Bees, a puzzle-solving game with supporting material for Halo 2's release. This ARG had an online community of over 600,000 people working together to unlock exclusive clips and material related to Halo 2's release. Also, the Dark Knights ARG was an iconic scavenger hunt that was set up to promote the movie's release. ARGs are the perfect way to create a deeper connection between participants and a brand through an earned experience. While gamification marketing can take one of the 5 forms, the most popular are advert games, as they are the cheapest, quickest, and least disruptive form of gamification marketing experience available. To find out more about advert games, contact Gamify today.